Before we start to play ukulele, we'll make sure your ukulele is in tune. If you do not tuning your ukulele for your practice, it's a very bad habit. So that's why we need to make sure every time we practice with the right tuning, then and make sure everything is played right. Nowadays we can easily get tuners like these tuners, clip-on tuners, and you see that this clip-on tuners, and you just on it, turn it on, and you click on top of your ukulele, and you're ready to go. Now we get a little bit closer view, and we have how to tuning your ukulele. We have 4 strings at our ukulele, so and this on the top it will be 4 strings, and the 3rd string and the 2nd string and the 1st strings. So now let's tune our 4th string. So 4th string we're gonna tune on G. You see that? G. If sometimes it's a little bit out of tune, you can just tune the reverse clockwise and in tune to G. Because when in tune, they automatically turn the green light, which means you can go. Alright, so now we're tuning on the 3rd string. 3rd string would be C. And then the 2nd string, which means this 2nd string on 2nd string, E. And the 1st string, and we're gonna tune it to A. Okay, so now I'm thinking of your ukulele is in tune, so you can go for the next practice and see you. Thank you.